Welcome to the Lions Education. In this video, we are solving variation 2024 GCE question number 13, mathematics paper 1. Okay, so this is the question. Given that y varies directly as x and inversely as the square of z, and that this is the given information for us to find the constant variation. And now there are key terms here that you're supposed to master that determines the formula that you are going to use. So we have, given that y varies directly, so we have this part is very important, and then as x, then we have inversely. Okay, so these two terms, they are very important for you to be able to understand this question and answer it very correct. Now the formula, it will look like, when they say varies directly, meaning it will be, for example, we say y varies directly. So here we put k because they don't show you the k here. So we say k directly as x, meaning x, and inversely, meaning they are saying divide. Okay, the inversely part is the denominator. So it will be inversely as the square of z. So z is being what? Squared there. I hope it is clear. It is down here. So this is your formula. So now to write it properly, this implies that your formula will be y is equal to k, the constant, times x over z squared. I hope this is clear. So this is the formula that we are going to use in all these three questions that we have here. All right. Now, how do we then happen to find the constant k? So at first there, we have find the value of k. Now, we are using this formula, y is equal to k x over z squared. Then the information that we have is y is 4, x is 8, as you can see in the question there, it is given. Then z is what? Our z, what is our z? Okay, our z is 2. So to find k, we are going to say y is 4, 4 is equal to k, then x is 8 over z squared, we have 2, so 2, you square it, so our answer will be 4 is equal to 8k over 4. Okay, one there, do cross multiplication down there. Okay, now when you do cross multiplication, just allow me to erase this part so that I'll put my answer here. So when you do cross multiplication, what you get is 8k is equal to 4 times 4. So you have 8k is equal to 16 over 8 over 8. Okay, then you say 8 into 8 is 1, so we get k. Then this is equal to 2. So our k is 2. Let us go to the next question. Okay, so the next question they are saying value of y when x is 18 and z is 3. So to find this one, remember our formula is y is equal to kx over z squared. So they are saying we should find the value of what? Y. Okay, y when what? K is 2. Okay, times what is x? They are saying x is 18, is here. So x is 18. Then they are saying over z is 3. So 3 squared. And that is our guy there. So we'll say y is equal to 2 times 18. You get 36. Okay, 36. Then you say over, down there you have 9. If you square 3, you have what? 9. Okay, then your answer will be 9 divided by 36 divided by 9, you get y is equal to 4. And this is your answer for that part. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so for the next question, they are saying we should find the value of z. But remember our formula is y is equal to k x over z squared. So we should find the value of z when x is 25 and y is 22. Okay, so now to solve this one, we are going to say y, they said y should be 2. So we'll say 2 is equal to k, we know it's 2. Then x, they are giving us to be 25 this time around. Then z, we don't know. So z squared. Then we'll say 2 is equal to, here you multiply by 2, you get 50 over z squared. Okay, now when you get z squared here, you come here and say, so you divide also here so that you do cross multiplication. So it will be 2 times z squared, okay, is equal to 50 times 1. Now we're there. Then this implies that we'll have 2z squared is equal to 50 over 2 over 2. 2 and 2, they will go, giving us z squared is equal to 25. So you introduce the root there. So here plus or minus the root there. So here you put, whenever you're introducing a root, you say plus or minus. So this one and the power will go, we'll have z squared is equal to plus or minus the root of 25 is 5. Okay, now we can now split these answers. We say z is equal to 5 or z is equal to what? Negative 5. And this is your answer. This is how you are supposed to answer this question. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, follow, and share.